Fix wrinkle background in seconds. Choose Even Background tool. There are two modes, Auto and Manual. Let's try Auto first. Before, after. Most of wrinkles are disappear. However, to make the photo look naturally, you can use brush with black color to fix edges on the subject. Bring back details of the subject's edges, mostly on the hair and sometimes on legs. Moving on to the second mode of Even Background tool. Before using the tool, choose Quick Selection tool to select background. Then click to Even Background and Manual. This mode is used for photos which really hard to select the background. We just only need to select background manually, then the tool will do the rest for you. And again, for the area that have hard edges like hair, use black brush to make it look better and natural. That's all for the tutorial. Easy peasy. SADESIGN, your editing photo solution.